Alright, in this video we're going to be unboxing the ASUS Prime Z390-P motherboard. It's a pretty, I think a pretty robust motherboard, plenty of ports and slots on it. We've got 2 USB 3.1 second gen, 4 USB Gen 1s. There's a bunch of other ports that we can look at once we unbox it here. This uses the 1151 socket, so it fits Intel processors. Has the Z390 chipset, and yeah, let's get right into opening this up. Here's the back of the box. That's what you'd have there. All right, so let's open it up. So there we have the motherboard right there inside. A little compartment over here that looks like it has something in it. We have some SATA plugs for connecting our drives. That is it in that compartment. So let's go ahead and pull out the motherboard here. Set that down. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. That is empty. We have the provided back plate for the motherboard for mounting into our case. A couple extra risers, mount risers it looks like. I'm not sure why they just give you 2 of those there. Maybe it's something specific for this motherboard. And then we have another very small packet of screws. Not really sure what those are yet. Full user's guide. And let's see, yep, full user's guide and driver disc. I don't think anybody needs those really anymore. And then just a couple legal disclosure pieces of paper. So that's pretty much it in the box. You don't really get much else besides that. So let's take a look here at the motherboard. So there it is. Maybe a couple different angles there. And then the back ports. You can see all those. USB, Ethernet, audio, HDMI, looks like a display port. There's those 2 USB Generation 2s, and it does give you a classic mouse and keyboard. I can't even remember what those are called. It's been so long since I've used them, but they are there. And then here's the board, 4 memory slots. Get your power, your CPU. Here, let me put this right side up for you. All your heat sinks on your system buses. And then you've got your 2 PCIe 16X slots and a total, and then 4 additional PCIe 1X slots, so a total of 6. So great gaming motherboard if you want 2 GPUs, or in this case, my case here, actually using this as a crypto mining board to see if I can actually get 6 GPUs to run off this thing. I haven't completely confirmed that, but we will see. Oh, and it does have an M. You can see it right there. An M2 solid state drive, PCI solid state slot. Chassis fans, got plugs for, looks like 3 chassis fans, and oops, keep pulling that upside down on you. He's got a fan up there at the top for the CPU, as well as a pump. Kind of nice for water cooling. Some case fan plugs, so you can see all the different ports on it there. So there you go. That is the ASUS Prime Z390-P motherboard. So we'll put this safely back in its packaging until it is ready to use. And that is all for this video. If you have any questions on this motherboard, please do let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you all in the next video, and I hope you have a great day.